Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to record your desktop using Microsoft Expression Encoder 4. Okay, so first you need to head on over to the link that's in the description. And once you're on the link you need to press download. And you need to save the file. Okay, so now the file's saved, you need to run the setup file. Okay, and now you need to press accept, and we're just going to go with no for now, unless you do want to join their customer experience improvement program, then obviously tick yes. So we're now going to go next, and we're going to go install, and just make sure the options are all okay, which they are. So we're going to go install, and this should only take a couple of seconds. And there we go, as you can see it's now installed successfully, so we're going to go finish. Okay, and now we're going to load encoder. Okay, so now you need to click on the bottom left hand corner, and we're going to select the Microsoft Expression Encoder 4 screen capture. Okay, and once you've clicked on that you'll end up with a window that looks like this. Okay, so first things first, you've got your audio, your webcam, and you've got your options. So we just want to adjust our options quickly, and we want to change the quality to 100 so it's really crystal clear. Okay, and we want to change our frames per second to 60. Okay, so it's going to capture everything. Alright, and we want to capture our mouse pointer. So also we've got our webcam, which we're not going to use today, and here we can select our microphone. Okay, I'm just going to leave that for a minute unticked. Okay, because I'm currently recording using OBS and I don't want it to interfere. Okay, so we've got our hotkeys here, so you can do Control, Shift, and F11 to start recording, or to pause, and then it's F12 to stop it. Okay, so here we've got other options, so we can highlight our mouse cursor with a circle if we want. I don't really like that, so I'm going to leave that off. Okay, so let's just untick the webcam because we're not going to display a webcam. So we're going to hit OK now, and it is now time to record using Microsoft Expression. So all you now need to do is press the record button and simply just drag where you would like to record. Okay, so for instance we can just record this little section here if we want, and go record, and as you can see it's now counting down, and it's only recording this section. It's got little green corners there which show us where it's recording. Okay, so I can just go new folder, and there you go. So we can actually pause that capture as well, so you can see that's paused now because it's red. Okay, and we can stop the capture. So if we just stop it now, we can actually open up the video here, and there you go. Hopefully it's going to show us that we have just created a folder. Okay, so yeah, there you go, and as you see it didn't show it outside anything else. Okay, so when I right click then it was a little bit cut off where we were only recording a certain part, as you can see there. Okay, so now we're going to hit record again. Okay, but this time we want to change it from custom to full screen, but current screen. Okay, I could record my second screen as well if I want, but I don't want to. Okay, so we're now going to hit record. Okay, and it's Control Shift and F12 to stop the recording. Okay, because it's now going to hide the toolbar. Alright, so there you go. It's now recording, and let's just create a new file, and there you go. Okay, I can just open that quickly, and we can just write some random text. Right, so now let's just close that and go Control Shift and F12, and as you can see, our video folder's popped up now, and it done a little beep sound so we know it's stopped recording. So we can hit play, and there you go. That is how you record your desktop, okay, using Microsoft Expression. So it's a very good program, and it's actually really good quality, and it's free. Okay, so we now need to convert the file that we've just recorded from this XESC to a actual video file that YouTube and other platforms can detect. So we now need to select the video that we'd like to change the format on. So I'm going to select the bottom one, and we're going to go send to encoder. Okay, so it's now loading up Microsoft Encoder 4, and once it's loaded, as you can see, our video is here. Okay, so we've got our encoder quality up here, and we can choose best quality, okay, because we want it to be top quality. Alright, and just drag this down for a second. And here we've got a few more options which you can work through as well. But for now, I'm just going to leave it all at standard. Okay, we're just going to leave it at default. So let's just, yep, so the frame rate is going to be source, and okay, so the size we're just going to leave it source as well. We don't want to play with any of that. We could change it to stretch as well, unless you like letterbox. I'm just going to leave it at letterbox for a minute. Okay, and yeah, so it's all pretty much how it should be anyway. Okay, you can obviously change it to MP4 if you'd like. Okay, so we now need to encode this. So we're going to click on the top left hand corner, and we're going to select encode. Okay, and as you can see, it's now working through the video file, and it's encoding it. Okay, so it's going to output it as a WMV file. Okay, so once it's done the output, we're now going to minimize our encode, or actually, sorry, we're going to right click and go open file location. Okay, and then that'll bring us to this folder here. So we're now going to go back, and we're going to go to output, and then we're going to select the recently created folder, and there is your video file. Okay, so we can open that up now, and as you can see, it's now playing. Okay, and there you go. That is how you record your desktop using Microsoft Expression Encoder 4. Okay, I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, hit that like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.